Good morning, students. Welcome back to Physical Education Classroom. The last video, already I have started the adolescence period and discussed physical characteristics. Today I will discuss the mental characteristics. So follow the video. During adolescence, the ability to criticize and take decision, the eagerness or curiosity for novel thoughts and ideals are developed. So, in this period, teenagers are very curious and they are able to take decision about himself or herself. They are curious to know more and more about new people, places, and their rules, regulation, etc. They demand self-respect. They expect self dignity and self dependence. At this stage, they remain under stress and tension because they are far apart from tension and stress because they are in very fickle mind in this stage. They become worried. Sometimes they are not able to adjust with other people very commonly. They have high aspiration. Aspiration means they are they are thinking very much high ambitious. They are also indulge in the daydreaming. They remain mentally absent in the classes and also at home because they are very fickle mind at this stage because their mind are not their mind are not stable. They are always distracted from any topic to another topic in this time. That's why they are very mentally disturbed in the classes, also at home in this time. Sometimes their behavior become aggressive. मतलब बहुत जल्दी वो गुस्सा भी कर लेता है. They themselves do not know what to do and where to go for guidance as well. I mean, they don't know what should do good for them and what should not. Now, emotional characteristics. The life of an adolescent is full of emotions. Under the influence of such emotions, he or she performs such unfilled tasks. Upfilled और अनफिल्ड मतलब क्या है? मतलब जो चीज उन लोग के लिए सही नहीं है, उन लोग का सोच उस बारे में गलत होगा. मतलब उन लोग अगर कोई डिसीजन लेना चाहता है वो सही है या गलत, उन लोगों को इस बारे में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. दैट्स वाई देयर activities are not good for them at this time because they are full of emotions which seems to be impossible in the beginning. मतलब जो इस टाइम में शुरुआत में बहुत उन लोगों को डिस्टर्ब करता है. सपोज मम्मी पापा गुस्सा में दो बात सुना दिए. इस दौरान ड्यू टू द इमोशनल चेंजेस he or she does not accept any ignorance from their parents. That's why they will take any wrong decision. The adolescent lives an intensely emotional life in which we can see once more the rhythm of the positive and negative phases of behavior in this constant alternation between intense excitement and deep depression. मतलब normally in this time, I mean adolescence period, that teenagers think about themselves very highly. Like their positive and negative जो सोच है इस दौरान वो लोग गुजरते हैं. तो अगर किसी चीज़ के दौरान वो अगर किसी मतलब नियरेस्ट से अगर कोई इग्नोरेंस फील करता है तो नॉर्मली दे आर going through intense excitement and deep depression. Sometimes the adolescents find themselves in the state of deep disappointment. Usually, they are at an emotional variance. Sometimes they fly high in the world of daydreaming and imagination. Matlab, at the gist of this point, basically, during the adolescence period, teenagers just passing through a great emotional changes. That's why their positive thinking and negative thinking just vibrates themselves, because if they feel any ignorance from their dearest or nearest one, they are just going through a deep depression, and always the state of mind of them is in great disappointment, and sometimes they feel highly about themselves. I mean, they are just passing through a world of daydreaming. That is the great changes of emotionally in their mind. Now, social characteristics. Usually, the adolescents adopt a way which is selected by them, but the society creates various obstacles in their way. In such conditions, the adolescent revolt against the tradition and the customs of the society. I mean, what is the meaning of this portion? Basically, in this time, adolescent adolescents adopt a way. I mean, they are very ferocious in this time. So, if any defined types of obstacles just come in their way, they adopt a wrong step or want to take any revolt against the tradition and customs of the society. During this change, friends are important to them. They exchange their views, knowledge, and experiences with one another. They always long for the leadership and the specific recognition in the society. Normally, सोशल कैरेक्टर जो है इस टाइम में, मतलब सोसाइटी का जो जो भी रूल्स और रेगुलेशन है, दैट इज नॉट गुड फॉर देम. दे थिंक अबाउट देमसेल्फ, मतलब ये सोचते हैं कि ये सोसाइटी उन लोग के लिए सही नहीं है. They want to change total rules and regulation. That's why they want to take any revolt against any tradition and the customs of society. That's why their parents are not friends of them. They feel their friends are very important for them. They have interest to participate any recreational activities like picnic, dancing, music, trekking, hiking, mountaineering, etc. So by participating in such activities, they develop socially acceptable qualities. So if they're doing some such social activity, by this process, they develop their social skill. Now, motor characteristics. Motor conditions, motor coordination tends to improve during this stage. Improvement is also seen in coordinative abilities, which result in better motor learning abilities. So there is a rapid development of the maximum strength and explosive strength in boys as compared to girls. The performance in various sports improves at the faster rate during this stage with continuous participation and the regular exercise. So what is the meaning of this portion? Basically, during the adolescence period, boys are developed defined qualities rather than girls, because basically boys participate different types of highly riskable jobs like trekking, mountaineering, highly motor skill abilities possess themselves. That's why the rapid development of maximum strength and explosive strength are activate the boys as compared to girls, because the performance in various sports improves at a faster rate during this stage with continuous participation and regular exercise. So students, basically these are the long story about the different characteristics. So you will just distract more than 2 points from each groups and characteristics, just define them as a characteristic. Now adulthood. Timing must 20 to 65 years and above. So after adolescence, when we reach up to adulthood, I mean 20 years, after 20 years, after the total lifespan is known as adulthood. Growth and development during adulthood refer to the change that occurs biologically and physiologically in human life after adolescence until the end of one's life. Adulthood is the longest state of human life. During this stage, adults experience a number of changes. So, adulthood is the last stage of life. It is the longest stage after your total lifespan. Adulthood has the following three stages: early adulthood, 20 to 39, middle adulthood, 40 to 64, late adulthood, 65 and above. So, early adulthood. In this stage, our physical maturation is the complete, although our height and weight may increase slightly. So, after adulthood, when we mature ourselves, that's why our height and weight may increase very slightly. बहुत धीमे धीमे होता है. In this period, our physical abilities are at their peak, including muscle strength, reaction time, sensory abilities, and the cardiac functioning. Most of the sports person remain at the top of their performance in games and sports during this stage. The, the cognitive abilities remain steady throughout individuals. Cognitive abilities means डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मोटर स्किल, मतलब किसी चीज के बारे में अगर तुम प्रैक्टिस करते हो, चाहे वो सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, म्यूजिक या स्विमिंग, रनिंग, व्हाटएवर एनी स्पोर्ट्स आइटम, you are in the peak because the cognitive abilities remain steady throughout any individuals. किसी चीज को बारे में अगर तुमको प्रैक्टिस करना है तो तुम उस चीज में सबसे आगे रहोगे. Middle adulthood. During middle adulthood, individuals usually experience good health. However, during this stage, the signs that an individual is getting older gradually appear, because in the middle adulthood, any type of development does settle down. So, the signs that an individual is getting older gradually. इसका मतलब क्या है? उसका जो ग्रोथ और एबिलिटी है वो धीरे धीरे स्लो होता जाएगा. Wrinkles begin to develop and organs don't function as efficiently as they used to during early adulthood. So early adulthood में जिस दौरान वो परफॉर्म करते थे, मिडिल एडल्टहुड में उसका सारा एक्टिविटीज थोड़ा धीमे पड़ जाएगा क्योंकि वो मिडिल एडल्टहुड से गुजर रहे हैं. उसका टोटल एक्सपीरियंस एनी काइंड ऑफ मूवमेंट दैट साइंस दैट एन इंडिविजुअल इज गेटिंग ओल्डर ग्रेजुअली. Their eyesight, hearing power, reaction time, and the coordination begin to decline during this stage. मतलब इस उम्र में उन लोगों का आईसाइट, हियरिंग प्रॉब्लम, रिएक्शन टाइम, प्रोप्रियोसेप्शन एंड द कोऑर्डिनेशन. प्रोप्रियोसेप्शन का मतलब क्या है? तो नॉर्मल अगर कुछ चीज को उस बारे में जो सोचना है, थिंकिंग, देयर थिंकिंग बिकम वीकर। किसी चीज के बारे में सोचना थोड़ा धीमे पड़ जाएगा, मतलब उसका डिसीजन, उसको बारे में सोचना और डिसीजन लेना उसके लिए, मतलब जो मिडिल एडल्टहुड से गुजर रहा है उसके लिए थोड़ा टफ महसूस होगा। मतलब वो कॉन्फ्यूज हो जाएगा कौन सा सही है, कौन नहीं, कौन सा चीज़ सही नहीं है, बिकॉज मस्क्यूलर कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड नर्वस कोऑर्डिनेशन आर नॉट वर्किंग टुगेदर परफेक्टली। नाउ लेट एडल्टहुड, this is the last stage of adulthood. The skin continues to lose elasticity. Reaction time slows further and the muscular strength declines. So in the late adulthood, इस दौरान क्या होगा? Skin continues to lose elasticity. Skin बहुत पतला होता जाएगा, मतलब मस्क्यूलर स्ट्रेंथ बहुत कम हो जाने के दौरान हम लोग का स्किन ढीला महसूस करेंगे। स्मेल, टेस्ट, हियरिंग एंड विजन ऑल्सो डिक्लाइन सिग्निफिकेंटली। सब चीज़ कम होता जाएगा। द हेयर में ऑल्सो नो लॉन्गर फंक्शन एट द ऑप्टिमल लेवल्स। They may face various problems such as the memory loss, dementia, and the Alzheimer disease. With the advancement of age, जितना उम्र बढ़ता जाएगा हम लोग का मेमोरी लॉस होना चालू हो जाएगा। उसके साथ हम लोग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डिमेंशिया लाइक एल्जेमियर, दिस आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ डिजीज इस दौरान गुजरेंगे। क्रॉनिक डिसीज लाइक द आर्थराइटिस, हाइपरटेंशन एटसेट्रा become more common in this stage. So there is a loss of brain cells and the intellectual capabilities. हम लोग का जो ब्रेन सेल है वो पूरा, मतलब क्या बोले, उसका रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं हो सकता है। इस दौरान हम लोग का इंटेलेक्चुअल कैपेबिलिटीज जो है वो सब खत्म होने लगेगा। However, people who remain mentally active tend to show fewer signs to decreased mental ability. So students, I hope all of you understood. So for today, up to this portion.